I taste it.
Taste it. Ödens.
Ei, 5/5.
Sen tietää kaikki sama hankinnat tehneet. Ainut oikein moppo valinta on manki tai PV. Ikää enemmän kuin muutama vuosissa, mutta turha tuulata podissa ostaa jotain uutta ja muovista nää. Massa alla vanna Suzuki pevetti, jotkut dissas. Ei ne tiedä mitä ne menetti, mulla on tankissa musta mattapinta ja mun vaatteet dunkkaa. 200 hilta kesällä tai lumipyryssä. Suuni on hymyssä, tehari ja 60 kuuti on pytyssä. Ja massa varmasti Jyväskylillä nähtiin. Teho putkesta kyllä jyrinää lähti niin, et pikkulapset piiloutu mutsien taakse. Kytät rullas ohi kuumoppi, et tunniste taakse liian iso masina. Pojat rikko lakia, mut Mikko soitti silloin aina infot, missä on ratsia. Sen takia ei tullut sakkoja tai sanktioita, mut joiltain kuuli hulluin pakko matkatarinoita. Damn, piti olla aina valmiina, vaikka oikeesti mä halusin varaida ja chillaa. Aika usein en pykenny edes ajamaan. Taas PV hajalla ja pajalla piti jo melkein majailla. Kyllä pysetti kyllä kunnolla. Pieni mittari.
Man, I'm stressed out, where the booze be? I need a brewski, something that soothes me. Little bit of liquid to kick harder than Bruce Lee's. Loosely, too free, so I grab a loose leaf. Everyone's like, who's he? Guess I'll give a news brief. The name's Pharaoh, bitch, I think it's time you recognize I'm the type of person that'll eat all of your extra fries. Hungry but I exercise, getting big, I'm next to rise. Yeah, seems I just got up on this elevator. Now all the previous haters are asking me for the favors, but I leave them at the bottom, headed for the top floor. But before I make it there, I got a lot more. When I get there, I'll be careful for those locked floors, cause the janitor's the one with keys to locked doors. I am careful where I step, I don't burn bridges, cause I've learned in this that you gotta earn riches. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. Only dreams are what I'm chasing. It seems that what I'm facing is a scheme that only green is what it seems from expectations. What I need's the best creations. There are no limitations, only limits are the minutes. Counting down your next vacation. My vacation's in my basement. Never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at a day's cost. It's gonna be some years before you even start to take off. Breaks off, this rap shit is a game and it's the playoffs. Don't play soft, I gotta slide at every beat like Adolf Hitler. Heading for the clouds and I'm a twister. Heating up like a transistor, about to pop out like a blister. Yeah, it's almost impossible to stand the odds against me. I won't stand none, all I do is write my plans out so that they'll not understand how I can reach my goals, expand out. Then I slowly gain exposure and I'll make them awesome fans now. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you,